Tata, the journey of your life, your career, and your future is ongoing. Another year older, another year wiser. Well, at least you are growing up to be what you were meant to be. You're the same beautiful and lovable anak. Exactly the other side of me. Continue to do things right the first time all the time, and do your work with full commitment and conviction. Always strive for excellence and go for continuous improvement. We love you and wish you more to come. Take care always, and happy birthday, and wishing you the best of time. Enjoy your day with your friends out there. Love you, anak.